this. Alright, so we are in lab 6.5.13 and we're going to create a group. So you are the IT administrator for the CompTIA domain. You have decided to use groups to simplify the administration of access control list. Specifically, you want to create a group containing the department manager. So in this lab, your task is to use Active Directory users and computers to complete the following actions on the CompDC server. So in the users container, create a group named managers. Configure the group as follows. Group scope and group type, and make the following user members managers group. Alright, so let's start up. In case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. So let's wait for the lab to load. Alright, so we'll go to COP server. Under COP server, we'll go to CompDC and we'll go to tools and then we'll go to Active Directory users. So we'll maximize this and we'll go to CompNet.local. We'll maximize this. Then we'll go down to users, right click on users, and we'll go to delegate. We'll go to new. Under new, we're going to create a new group. So under new group, we're going to start with create a group named managers. Configure the group as follows. Okay, so the name of the group is going to be managers, so we just copy and paste here. So this is going to be global and this group type is going to be security, so we click OK and make the following user members of the managers group. Alright, so we'll go under managers and properties. So we'll go for members. So for members, we just add. So this is going to be Mark Wood. It's going to be Pat Brenton. And we have Joan Suarez. And we have Irene Kimberly. Mark Bones. And Shirley Emery. So we check name. Okay, everything appears to be fine. So we click OK. Click OK here. And go ahead and score lab. In case you find this video to be helpful, remember to share on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.